Did you know that File Transfer Protocol, or FTP, is the primary method for exchanging files with CI radios and IDUs? This protocol allows for reliable communication between your equipment and a server. In an FTP connection, the CI equipment acts as the client that requests the file, while the FTP server facilitates the file exchange. Understanding these roles is crucial for efficient setup. To set up an FTP server accessible by CI equipment, start by adding a user and password that matches what is configured on the CI equipment for secure access. This step ensures only authorized exchanges occur. Anonymous connections are not allowed. Next, point the FTP server's root directory to your desired file exchange location. This setup allows for reliable and efficient file management. Explore FTP server options like FileZilla, Xlite, FTP, or CI's WLC utility. Each FTP server offers unique features to enhance your file exchange experience. This is the CI Web LCT console. We aren't going to be using the console, but we will be using the built-in FTP server, which has the default credentials already installed. In this example, we are going to upload a feature key. The serial number of the device is in the file name of the feature key we are going to upload. This FTP server doesn't have a root directory, so I need to copy the full path. Right-click on the file, choose Properties, the Security tab, and copy the full path of the file, including the file name and extension. We will open the Equipment Features tab, click on Upgrade, then paste the full path of the feature key. Most of the time, we can use Auto Discovery to find the server and click Send. Using WLC comes with benefits like preset credentials and directory paths, simplifying the setup process and ensuring compatibility with CI equipment. Setting up a third-party FTP server like Xlite FTP requires setting up the server's IP address. Use the drop-down menu to select an address accessible by the CI equipment. You will need to create a user with a username and password. Anonymous connections are not allowed. Next, you need to set a root directory where the files are stored. The directory only has read permissions by default. You will want to enable write permissions if you want to use this folder to create backups. Click OK and close the settings windows. Click on the server you just created and click the play button below to start the server. Now that the FTP server is running and pointing to the location of my file, I need to copy the full name of the file. Open up my browser window. Open the Equipment Features tab. Click Upgrade. Paste the file name into the field and click Send. Then confirm. Common issues like security programs or firewalls can block FTP traffic. Configuring your firewall to allow FTP connections is essential for smooth operations. When troubleshooting your FTP connection, ensure you only have one FTP server on the network. Your FTP server is listening on port 21 and not blocked by security settings. These steps are vital for maintaining a stable connection. Use telnet and ping commands to verify connectivity. These tools help diagnose issues and confirm that your setup is functioning correctly. If you have enabled HTTPS, CI equipment will automatically switch to using Secure File Transfer Protocol. Either use an SFTP server or roll back to FTP. Check server logs for connection requests and potential issues. Logs provide insights into any disruptions and guide troubleshooting efforts. An FTP server is used to restore configurations, generate backups, update firmware, and install feature keys using FTP. These actions maximize the efficiency and longevity of your equipment. Download an FTP server today or contact support for assistance. Taking this step ensures your CI equipment setup will go smoothly, allow for firmware updates, and keep current backups of your configurations.